What's up, YouTube? You already know all the vibes, baby. So some of y'all already know, some of y'all might not know. Your man bought a motorcycle.
I got 20, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51.
My boy over there counting money like my 11-year-old niece. Okay, proud new owner of this Honda CBR. $6,000 later though, but it's worth it, baby. Okay.
Bike life?
Bike life? Looking ass. Yo, this shit is so clean, boy. Whew. Boy, I got an erection right now, boy. No cap.
This is sexy, bro.
I could take my gloves off. This is for me. That's how I bought the motorcycle. You know, I've been riding safe. I hope y'all enjoy this little vlog. I hope y'all enjoy this journey of me learning how to ride a motorcycle, riding my motorcycle. Damn, my do-rag is messing me up. I have my do-rag on so tight. It'll just look stupid. All right, well, let's get into this video. We dominating these vlogs, nigga. What's up, YouTube? You already know all the vibes, baby. Today, I'm about to finally summit the mountain. Yes, sirski. Fuck, nigga. I don't know if we're gonna be able to summit this mountain today, dog. We got stuck in the rain. So me and my boy right here, we about to ride out soon. We about to go ahead and try to summit this mountain today. And that's that. You already know the vibes. My boy got his Harley over here. You decided which one you taking? My boy got two bikes.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna take the Harley.
You gonna take the Harley? Yeah, I think it's gonna be a nice little cruise. My boy just copped this in 2020. It's pretty smooth. This thing is keyless. Push to start. All you gotta do is be close to the actual bike and it'll start. So that's what's up, man. That shit hard. Of course, we got a couple other toys over here in the garage. Something light. This is a light day for them. So, I actually flipped my camera 180. Now I'm recording myself, so now I could have a whole angle of everything going on, as well as my controls on my hands, like when I'm actually riding on a motorcycle. This is the bike right here. So, I want to be able to get, when I'm on the bike, you guys could see a little bit of my wrist movements, my braking, my clutching, all that, as well as see everything that's going on. So it's about to be a trial run, so let's see. So here's where I'm basically just riding my motorcycle, testing behind the house, whatever, the actual, just trying to figure out if my camera view is good. I'm out here just testing out to see the position of my camera. Right here, I could figure it was too low. You couldn't see ahead of me more, so now I kind of fixed it. I think now is a perfect view, so now you can see very far ahead of me, as well as my controls and whatnot. And I'm about to bust this illegal U-turn. Let retest to see if I should be talking. I forgot I got my microphone in here. There's probably gonna be a lot of wind noise because I don't got my strap. Oh man, let's see. Ooh man, so I guess we're close to the mountain because why do I think we're close to the mountain? I don't know why. Oh, because we're already on some turny, curvy roads. So that's why I believe, and plus I think it's about to start raining in this motherfucker. It's really about to start raining in this bitch. I need to get somewhere to where it's gonna be like some shelter, boy. Damn, look at this house, it got burned down. It should stop raining by 6, they said, which is another hour exactly when we get there. So I don't even see where there's a closest gas station for us to even be at. Ooh, and it's a little cold out here, baby. Okay, yeah, it is starting to rain harder. No gas station in motherfucking sight. That's how you know you in a country. Nowhere we can stop for some shelter. Keep it quite frank, I'm not trying to really stop in the yeehaw area. Damn, this is fucking crazy. Oh my gosh, dog. Fuck, man. This is not good at all. We gonna stop at the gas station. Oh fuck. Nah. Nah. An hour?
Damn, bro. That's gonna be a good ass ride.
Facts. About that shit. I had a feeling we was gonna make that shit. Mans is so sad he's staring at the mountain. I'm sure it's gonna pass, but it's gonna take an hour to pass. Cause you said it's gonna stop by 6. But it's still gonna be wet a little bit. Yeah, we only got 58 minutes to get home. Nigga, it's better 58 minutes to go home or to go an hour and 2 minutes towards that shit. Look how great it is. Yeah, we should definitely come back next week though. So that concludes today's ride, ladies and gents. You feel me? Make sure you stay tuned in. I'm gonna have brand new episodes coming in on me moto vlogging. So just let me know if y'all like the camera view. Y'all like everything, like just let me know. And then I definitely want to start talking more on these topics and saying things, you feel me? I don't want to just keep y'all just watching, like that's whack. So I'm gonna have something for y'all. Stay tuned to the next video, baby.